Alright guys, so today I'm gonna give you guys a clock update. Yes, I'm gonna give you a clock update. And yes, it is 5 a.m. if you look. And yes, I did get a new alarm clock. Yes, I did get a new alarm clock. It's right here. It's like right here above me. Yeah, why is my screen a little bit blurry? Alright, so yes, I did get a new alarm clock. And yeah. And also I have some good news. And you guys gonna have some good news. But I fixed my clock. I fixed my clock, and I also fixed the kitchen clock. And I'll show proof to you right now. Man, the sound is... Where should I go? Okay. And yes, the kitchen clock is now fixed, and my clock is fixed. And I'm really proud of myself because I magically found 2 batteries. Oh man, that sun is coming up really fast. So yeah. So I have a new alarm clock right there, and I fixed my clock and the kitchen clock. So yeah, this is my new alarm clock right here. And yes, there will be more videos coming soon. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. Now I'm sorry I upload, I'm sorry I upload, but my everyday schedule kind of a bit off lately. And I know you guys don't like that. I'll show you what, right here. This is the alarm clock right here on the back. And yes, so this is what my alarm clock looks like from here. And yes, the red thing right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but barely see it. And yes, when the hour hand approaches the red hand, this thing will ring. And it is so loud. Like, it is loud as heck. And I'll show proof right now. Which hand is it? Oh wait, this is... Okay. Oh! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god. Oh, that scared the heck out of me, you guys. Hold on. Oh my god, that scared me. Hold on, let me turn it off. Oh my god. Dude, I was not expecting that. Oh my god. But yes, this is what an alarm clock looks like. Oh my god, that scared me. Yeah, that thing is loud as heck, man. That's what wakes me up every night. And it wakes everyone else up. Oh my god. Oh, dude. Yes, I have to wake up so I can do my everyday schedule. Oh my god, dude, that scared me. Oh my god. Let me know if let me know if that scared you guys, cuz that was so scary. That was, oh my god. Hey. Oh my